welcome. If you have been experiencing spiritual chills on your journey, then this video is for you. Spiritual chills defines when you get goosebumps from positive outside or internal stimuli, which could be memories, compliments, inspiring music, movies, a loved one, time with friends, praying, praising God, meditation, receiving a confirmation, feeling motivated to strive, gratefulness, and most importantly, feel a cold or hot, euphoric / blissful wave flowing underneath your skin. This euphoric wave can be learned to be brought up on demand consciously for long durations without the physical reaction of goosebumps and can give one the ability to do incredible feats with it.
This video will be about how come you can feel it coming from your head. As I explained in a previous video, this occurrence, known under the Chinese term qi, mentions that there are three main bases for this energy called denshans, with one of those named the upper denshan being in your head. Even the Indian term prana explains that it is divided in 5 major parts of your body, with one of them called udana vayu being in the area of your head. So, in short, when you activate this energy and feel it coming from your head, whether descending, ascending, or even as if it is entering through your head, you or whichever stimuli you were exposed to has activated that center of your spiritual energy, located in the higher area of your body. Now, for a little more information on your spiritual chills in this area, let's look at what Hinduism literature says about it. Human beings have many types of breathing. 48 of those types of breath are associated with thoughts, worries, emotions, passion, anger, ego, vanity, and hypocrisy. These types of breaths make us restless and do not induce peace. It is said that working with your udana vayu is your spiritual breath, that it leads to a state of clarity and is such a little feeble breath that it can't even be felt coming out of your nostrils. Breathing with the method of this energy center is an efficient way to stop being anxious, thanks to it helping you experience peace and bliss. Now, to consciously use your spiritual breath, the first thing you have to do is to bring your awareness to its location, and this can easily be done with your breathing. Your inhalations and exhalations must come from the beginning of your throat and the roof of your mouth, in the back where the nose connects to it. Doing so correctly will produce a soothing sound while you breathe. After that is achieved and your attention is in this area, use whichever trigger you normally use to bring up your spiritual chills. You will notice this energy being activated from your head or it reaching this area with every one of your inhalations. Sending your spiritual chills down from this area should be achievable with every one of your exhalations and by guiding them with your attention. This center was regarded as impressive because of its important properties for growth, positivity, spiritual, and even psychic abilities, and because when activated through breathing, it helps bring prana deep in the brain where there it ascends radiantly. This location has been also noted as the path that your awareness goes through lastly before you fall asleep, and even more interesting as the path that your spirit takes when it normally leaves your body.
Now let's take a look at the Chinese concept of qi. It is said that your energy is firstly created in the lower one, which pervades the parts of your body underneath your nombril, then transforms into qi in the second area where your heart is, and when it arrives at your upper denshan, finally reaches spiritual energy status, documented under the name Shen, which is the most refined version of your qi that gets condensed here. It is also said that this location consumes it in order to strengthen your spirit, and for this reason, the head is considered the most noble part of your body. Now, you have to know that this process is supposed to be done naturally. If forcing your energy to go upwards, it will cause you to have headaches, insomnia, and other unwanted results. So, when summoning your spiritual energy there or circulating it, it is really important to bring it to your lower area when finished. Finally, to summarize it all, it is possible and normal to feel your spiritual chills around the area of your upper body/head. It's really important to be able to feel enthusiastic and speak properly, but to avoid overstimulation of this energy center, which would lead to unnatural states of mind. If you activate your energy, you should avoid leaving it there. You can be circulating it all over your body, but you always have to send it back down to your lower dension area, where it has to go through its refining process to then naturally reach your upper dension. Thank you for watching this video, and tune in next week for videos going more in depth on what you can do, how to strengthen it, how to feel it, and much more on spiritual chills.